Today we will have a look on searching, sorting, and other techniques in C. When you have it as an array, what is an array? An array is a collection of similar data items stored at contiguous memory locations. So they are derived data types in C programming language where we can store primitive data types, basic data types such as int, char, double, and float. You have many derived data types such as the other one, which is pointer structures and all those. There are many properties which the array contains. Some of the essential things are each element will contain carry the same memory size of array in when you have it as a same data type, and an array contains essentially all the elements should be of the same data type, and int equal to 4 bytes. So for example, we have it float as 8 bytes like that. So, and they are stored at contiguous memory locations where first element is stored at the smallest memory location. Elements of the array can be randomly accessed since we can calculate the address of each element of the array with a base address and the size of the data element. Advantages of array where its optimization, traversing, ease of sorting, random access, all those things. Disadvantages, we have it as fixed size, so we cannot change it dynamically. So this is how we declare an array: a data type, array name, and array size. uh, Marks of 5 is an array name, and marks of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it will start with the index 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locations. So that indicates the size of the array, and each element will be assigned with a value where as shown in this box: 80, 60, 70, 85, and 75. So this is an example where we get the average of for 10 students, and in this we are declaring the elements I, integer variables I, and marks of 10 as an array, and sum as an integer variable 0, and float we declare it as an average, and a variable called as average as float. So now we are entering the marks for 10 students, and you get the marks as in array element marks of 0, 1, 2 up to 9 it will go. So that's why the loop is initialized I is less than 10. So average is sum by 10. Print average. So now you are going to print the average where it is the total of sum by the total number. So this is the a slight improvement than that. Why? Because you just print the statement for 10 students. So you print the total, you print the language 1 marks, 2 marks, and all those English marks, Tamil marks, and total marks. All those is printed. A very little improvement by using the print statement for all the 10 students. We will go with searching and sorting as the next example. Searching involves where a value is present in the data to find out where the value's location. We have two popular search algorithms: linear search and binary search, and it is the process to use to find the location of a target among a list of objects. So when you go with linear search, so every element will be sequentially searched to locate the required element. So the other name for this cell search is called as sequential search, and it is applied when no information is done about the array and it is unsorted. So the list of items is smaller, we can consider linear search algorithm. So this is an example for linear search where 0 is the index, target is 71, 72. So this element you just start searching 1, 2 like this. Every index, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, and index 5, you get every element index at the end of the list. So unsuccessful search, it's an unordered list, but it is going to search for all the 12 locations. So the major drawback here is the searching time. So here, the major difference between that is they require time to complete the search. Big O notation and small o notation will be used for this linear search. So this is the program for linear search. We have an 5 elements, 10, 45, 66, 78, and 44. A is the array name. So the number with target to be found is 66. So if a of I equal to found, then print the value, then break it. Otherwise, you continue till the size of the array. So whatever is the size, we can have it as an dynamic input also. Okay. So this is one more example which is shown for the program. This is the pseudocode for linear search. And here also this is one small variation. What is the variation is that if index using while loop, that is the main thing. While index is less than n, then you go with a of index is b. Suppose you check with the element and you use a flag variable whether the element is found or not. If flag is not equal to 1, then you continue the while loop. That is the only change we do in this program. Okay, in the next session, we will see about the binary search.